नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol of determination of bleeding time. Determination of bleeding time practical is belong to the subject human anatomy and physiology, practical for the B Pharm first semester. So now we come to the what is the protocol determination of bleeding time with the help of Duke's method. Firstly, aim is to determine the bleeding time of a patient. What is firstly material requirement क्या क्या हम लेंगे? Sterilized needle, filter paper, cotton, spirit and stopwatch. Sterilized needles का use क्यों करेंगे? For the कोई भी इन्फेक्शन नहीं हो, कोई भी माइक्रोबियल कंटामिनेशन नहीं हो, इसलिए नीडल को स्टरलाइज करके हम यूज करेंगे. एंड देन फिल्टर पेपर एंड देन कॉटन फॉर द ब्लड एंड स्पिरिट for the sterilization and stopwatch for the time recording. The time required for the complete stopping of blood flow from the punctured blood vessel called the bleeding time. Normally, it is 1 to 3 minutes for a normal human's blood. Normal clotting time and bleeding time value differ because bleeding time is the time for stopping bleeding time by the formation of fibrin network on the surface of punctured skin. That is it is surface phenomena, but the clotting time is the time of clotting the whole blood collected in the capillary tube. Therefore, it is a volume phenomena. For this reason, clotting time is more than the bleeding time. When determined by the conventional method, what is the clinical significance of the bleeding time? It plays a significant role to study the hemorrhagic disorder, to study the coagulation defect, to have an idea about the platelets count of the patients. Bleeding time is prolonged in few disorders like vascular lesions, platelets defects, severe liver diseases, and uremia and anticoagulant drug administration. So the procedure Duke method, finger of the subject is sterilized. Firstly, ring finger is the sterilized, and with the spirit, then prick with sterilized needle. इसको हम prick करेंगे, sterilized needle से prick करेंगे. सबसे पहले इसको हम रफ करेंगे रिंग फिंगर को, और रफ करने के बाद इसको स्टरलाइज नीडल से प्रिक करेंगे. प्रिक करने के बाद टाइम ऑफ प्रिकिंग इज नोटेड. जस्ट जैसे ही हमने प्रिक किया वैसे ही हम स्टॉप वॉच से टाइम को नोट कर लेंगे. टेक अ स्टेन ऑफ द पंक्चर पॉइंट ऑफ अ फिल्टर पेपर on 30 seconds and keep taking a stain of blood in 20-second interval until the bleeding time stops. The time of no stain has come is noted properly. It is the bleeding time of the subject. So what is the precautions? Following precautions should be enforced. Needle should be sterilized. A faint stain of blood should not be avoided. Time should be noted properly. So this is the complete session. This is a short complete session protocol of the practical. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, students, and thank you for the listening.